Okay, well, I still have a lot more to do, but I did make a big size dent. So, cleaned the V-berth, cleaned the floor, also cleaned the bathroom minus the sink fixtures, soon to be in there. Toilet, found out a bunch of things that I didn't know what went to what, or what it was. So hopefully some of them will have to be replaced when I get up on the hard. Then, I've oiled everything. The wood has been cleaned with an oil. The floor as well. I've cleaned the belge below the floor in the bathroom and, well, what was used for the shower. Cleaned the one in the center, the lowest point of the boat underneath that floor. I've cleaned the plexiglass on all those slide. Took them out and cleaned them. Vacuumed, cleaned underneath storage, and oiled all the wood on this side. Figured out the TV except for the Sierra's radio. I can't get the CD thing to come on in the middle there, but I have a DVD player and the TV, so I can bring my Fire Stick and watch different movies on it, so won't need a DVD. Anyways, and then cleaned all along the top shelves, wood on this, cleaned down on the floor, all the wood on that, wood there, and cleaned the well, it doesn't look like it's clean, but it is clean. I had to put storage back in there. The seats and the spinnakers back there. The camera case thing will all go with me. I won't stay on the boat. And so that's as far as I got. I still have more to do, but I'm tired. I need to go home. Because I have to work for 3 more days. 12-hour plus shifts. So, I'm not feeling on top of the world right now. But, anyways, yay, I got this much done. And need to do the other half over here. So, you can see, actually the kitchen's been done. It's just a mess, but it's been done except for the plexi sliders. But everything has been lined and cleaned over here. And so I just need to basically do this one section right here where the table is, and the storage underneath it, and do that. So I'm getting there. Probably won't take me long to do that. Alright, I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Find us on YouTube, Sailing Dance with Waves. Come and subscribe, because eventually this is all going to be on the salt in the sea, and saltwater sailing. And right now I'm on freshwater, but I will be on sea water sailing. So it should be an adventure of a lifetime for me. Alright, take care, have fun, have a wonderful evening. Bye, guys. Remember, hit subscribe. Sailing Dance with Waves on YouTube.